This video will outline the pump and front cover methods that can be used to change the Chaincase fluid on a Polaris Switchback Pro-S. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake. Clean the area around the fill plug. Placing a rag under the fill plug will help catch any escaping fluid. Remove the fill plug and set aside. To extract the fluid using the pump method, safely elevate the front of the snowmobile using a floor jack or appropriate lift. Insert the tube of the suction device into the fill hole. Direct the hose toward the bottom front area of the cover, away from the chain and sprocket. Extract the oil using the suction device. Then safely lower the snowmobile to fill the Chaincase. To drain the fluid using the front cover method, remove the right side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panel out and lift up to remove. Remove the 3 push rivets, securing the side panel trim. Pull the trim apart as needed. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery and bracket. Remove the 2 fasteners securing the lower fender to the Chaincase. Place a drain pan underneath the Chaincase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Loosen but do not remove the 3 lower Chaincase cover fasteners. Carefully pry the cover open on the cover tab. Do not insert a screwdriver or pry bar between the cover and Chaincase, or seal damage may occur. Allow the fluid to drain completely. Reinstall the 3 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Fill the Chaincase through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill plug. Inspect the O-ring on the plug and replace if necessary. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and properly dispose of the used fluid. Reinstall the fasteners securing the lower fender to the Chaincase. If needed, reinstall the battery bracket and battery. Connect the positive cable first. Reconnect the side panel trim and reinstall the 3 push rivets. Then reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs on the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and the quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.